Yeah, so I got this 92 Dodge Dakota I'm working on today. And I've actually worked on this thing, done some stuff to it recently. Um, it's kind of a project vehicle. It's not my vehicle, it's the neighbor's vehicle. But it's kind of a project vehicle. It's got all kinds of different issues that we're trying to figure out and get fixed. And I'm inside the cab now, and it's a it's a big mess in here. Got parts and tools and speakers and all kinds of stuff here, and got the dash torn apart because it has well, this thing has all kinds of uh, electrical problems, electrical issues. A bunch of the little lights here for the dash are burnt out, and the tachometer doesn't work right. The speedometer doesn't work right. Um, I think most of the other gauges do actually work right, but the lights don't work right. The headlights don't work. The high beams don't work. Um, the reverse lights don't work, and this multifunction combination switch is bad. This light switch here is bad. Uh, there's some bad wiring right here where someone butt connected a bunch of the wires. Apparently they had problems with the lights too, because all these wires are going to the light switch, but that light switch is bad. All kinds of things. These little door switches here, I think the one on the other side is bad and shorting out, and it will keep the dome lights on all the time and drain the battery down. So it's got all kinds of electrical issues, kind of mostly all related to the lights. But there's all the owner. We figured out a bunch of the parts it needed, and the owner ordered a bunch of parts about a week or so ago, and got all kinds of parts here for it. Mostly just bulbs and stuff, but you got a bunch of different connectors, wiring connectors, transmission fluid filter kit. There's a tail light in here. I think maybe that came from eBay. I'm not sure. He's got another new light lens assembly there, and here's this is a socket for one of the lights, not sure which one. And there's all kinds of I think these are the little bulbs for the dash. I think these are some more of those. Some more right here, miniature lamps. Some more, or another bulb there. A couple more bulbs there. That's for the dome light. And then a couple more bulbs in here. A lot of bulbs. And then the temperature sending unit was bad. This is the old one, so it wasn't the temperature gauge on the dash wasn't working right because this sending unit was bad. So he got a new one, but he tried to install this one himself, but accidentally broke it. But luckily we ordered two of them, and there's a good one here, one of the new ones here, and this actually looks like the one that it's got the same connector. So actually that one looks like it is actually the right one. This connector is a little bit different. It's a different shape. So I don't think this one would have worked anyway. And he's got some bushings here for the windshield wiper arms. This is the new light switch. And then this is the new multifunction combination switch. And then this is kind of cool. He's got a speaker siren horn, and this is the little control for it. Siren, fire alarm, record, power, play. That's pretty cool. I'm sure he'll have some fun with that. Then yeah, there's all kinds of other parts in here, parts and tools, and wiring harnesses, and another light socket, some windshield wipers. He's got a thing in here, basically like a power outlet to where you can plug all kinds of different things in with different connectors. But there's one of the new headlights and harnesses he had to get. But yeah, all kinds of stuff going on with this truck, but seems like most of it's all like electrical problem, wiring problem related, it seems like. So this is going to be my project for today. I definitely won't get all of this stuff done or find or figure out or fix all of the problems on it today, but I should be able to get a lot of stuff done on this thing today. So figured I'd just do a little video on it. I don't know if I'll come back and maybe show you some of my progress on it or not, or maybe not, but I guess I'll see. So anyway, I'm gonna get started on it now, and I might be back, might not. So this is some of the weird kind of wiring and light problems it has. I've got the left turn signal turned on, and it is showing a left turn, but as the left turn signal blinks, the washer fluid light also blinks. So I'll put it on right turn signal, and we got a right one, but the washer fluid light also blinks. I think that's because this multifunction switch is bad. But yeah, you can see like these lights aren't working, and there's a few in here behind this little cover. This little cover comes off. There's quite a few back there that aren't working also. So that's just some of the problems this truck has. Yeah, so this is probably kind of hard to see because I got a lot of sun glare here going on. But I got some of this thing put back together, and you can see some of the dash lights there on, and I don't know if you can see, you probably can't see up there, but we actually have one headlight working now, which we didn't have any working at all before, and now our bright work on this thing too. You can see the bright indicator right there. Turn it off, on, off. But we got some kind of weird problem where the left turn signal circuit is somehow short-circuited somehow to the headlight, the left headlight circuit, because I got the headlights on now, and you see that left turn signal indicator, and if I turn the headlights off, that's just in parking lights. Now that indicator's off, but I can turn the left turn signal on. We got a left turn signal there. And we got one outside the car too, but I'm not going to show it to you. So this is in the parking light position, and if I pull it out back to the headlight position, it's going to kill our left turn signal. See, it just stopped. If I put it back to parking lights, then we got a blinker again. So there's some kind of wiring problem where this left turn signal's somehow tied into the headlight circuit. But I'll show you out here. We got a headlight here now, and we didn't have any headlights before. But we still don't have one on this side because this side is the side with the wiring problem that's tied in with the turn signals. So anyway, I just figured I'd show you that and some of the progress I kind of made on this. I didn't get very far, but got a little bit done. But for anyone interested, I thought I'd just throw that into the rest of the video. But yeah, that's probably it for this one. So I will talk to you on the next one.